I was sent a clip by one of, the viewers about what happened to her. There's a cowardly white supremacist male. I want you to watch what he ended up doing, at his sister's job. Let's roll that.
Dude, what the fuck?
There's no chair.
Who?
Bro, leave.
Find it.
Bro, you need to leave.
Where did you come from?
It's just triggering him more. Good.
No, shut up. Where did you come from? That's what I thought. This is your hood.
I'm in the hood now.
You're in charge now.
I'm in the hood.
Dude, what do you want? Like, I'm going to get, like... Oh my gosh, dude.
Please don't touch me.
Don't touch her, bro. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. I swear to God.
Here we go.
Bro, this will be it. This will be it. You just pushed her. You just assaulted her. And it's on camera.
Put it up. Put it up.
Don't.
Okay.
Put it up.
Get this.
I know where you're from. I know where you're from. What's up?
Hey,
What's up? What's up?
Well, you saw how that coward was picking on, that little woman. And then he thought he was going to mess with his sister. And she had something for him. Leave black people alone. How about that? You know what I'm saying? Black people can't have no peace dealing with people like that. And then you call this the crazy part. You deal with situations like that, call the police, they'll be on his side. Because that's the way this system works. Now, I don't know what he was charged with. I haven't got an update on this story yet, but I couldn't fully show you everything. But let me tell you something, that sister put in that work on him, and that sister had him leaking. You hear me? She had him leaking. I guess he thought he was going to mess with that sister. She had to, and a lot of these sisters, man, they more tougher than dudes like him. They only tough when they pick up a firearm. That's all the time they tough. You tell them throw them things, they can't do that. Most of them, they can't. A few of them maybe could with it, here and there, but the average, no, they can't do that. That's why they depend so much on that freaking Second Amendment, because they know good and well if it came down to mano y mano, they can't hang. He got a little woman stood up there and had him down like that. But he deserved that. It was only self-defense. But y'all let me know what y'all think about, what y'all see in this video. And, this guy should go to jail for assault. He needs to go to jail for assault against these two women. They're just point blank.